In this video, I will give you 3 interior design tips to design a kitchen that works for you and for your family. Hey there, my name is Sharlene. Welcome to the Interior Design Reveal Club. If it's your first time here, and if you would like to learn more about interior design, start now by subscribing. Better yet, join the Interior Design Reveal Club. It's easy, it's free, just visit my website. This video is the first in a series on kitchen design. For most families, the kitchen is the heart of the home. If you're about to remodel, renovate, redecorate, or build a kitchen, the chances are that you are looking at pictures that inspire you. But here's the thing, by merely looking at pictures, it can be quite difficult to appreciate the amount of details that were brought together to design these beautiful kitchens. Let's talk about your 3 interior design tips for kitchen design. Tip number 1, think about it. You must think about every detail of your new kitchen before making an attempt at designing it. Here's what I mean. As a design professional, one of my secrets to designing beautiful spaces is that I start every project with a thorough programming phase, regardless of the type of project and regardless of the size of the project. In a few words, the programming phase is when I gather all the information about the project before I attempt to design the project. Here's how it works. For your programming phase, you will need to gather all the information that is specific to your project. Then define the objectives that you have for that new kitchen. Know everything or as much as possible about the size or the space allocated for your new kitchen. And another great item to have in hand is a budget that helps you to know how much money you have to spend. Finally, go ahead and make a schedule. This way you will know how much time it will take to complete the new kitchen. Then make a list of your goals. Include your wants and don't forget to put your needs. Because by having this information available before the beginning of your construction, you are sure to save time and money. And we all know that saving time and money on a kitchen project will save you a lot of frustrations. Tip number 2, plan it. So at this time, you should be done with gathering data on your project. So next, you need to go ahead and analyze that information. And you need to do that before making any construction plans and also before choosing the finishes such as appliances, kitchen cabinets, lighting, plumbing fixtures, and so on. Don't forget to ask yourself the right questions before taking any decisions. So I'm talking about questions like, are you making the best use of your existing kitchen? Or how could you make this kitchen more functional? You could also ask yourself if you really need a bigger kitchen or if just improving the storage system would be enough. Anyway, the result of your analysis will determine the basis for the design of your new kitchen. Tip number 3, be smart about it. You're now ready to plan the new kitchen. Keep in mind that your new kitchen should be capable of sustaining high traffic, and it also must be easy to maintain. And don't forget, a kitchen contains fixed appliances and fixtures. Also, now it's time to select your kitchen cabinets, tops, the flooring, the lighting, the major appliances, the plumbing fixtures, and all the accessories as you are planning your kitchen and drawing the plans. By selecting and purchasing all that at this time, you will definitely avoid delays during the construction phase. A kitchen that works will adapt to your lifestyle, and at the same time it will cater to your family's living needs. At the end of your project, your kitchen must be a beautiful, functional space. Kitchens continue to sell houses, so your goal should be to make the most of your space and to produce the most significant return on your investment. Because in the end, the quality and functionality of your kitchen design will make a big difference in your home's value. If you want to learn more about interior design, join the Interior Design Reveal Club. The club is a private group for everyone who wants to be part of my interior design community. So don't miss a thing watching and become a member right now for free. Again, subscribe to see more videos like this one. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and your family. I hope that you found this information useful. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. See you in the next video and in the club. Till then, take care and have a great day.